Yeah, so I'm at my mate's place today and we're going to be building a very, very quick and simple bench for him in his new garage. So, but we're not going to be buying any wood. We're going to be using what we can find around the place, and his deck. We've found all this wood under his deck, so we're going to use that.
Let's go make something.
And apparently there's more.
It's two 8x2s nailed together. Oh dear.
It was used as a beam for something.
That's right.
We probably won't need that one, mate, because
No.
you got more up here. Nice place that he's got too. He's worked hard for it, so congratulations, Hayden, if you're listening and watching. So this is the space we're going to be building it in, right? And do you want to go all the way down to this wall?
No.
No. But down to about here somewhere.
Bigger than the window.
Bigger than the window?
Yeah, but a gap on each side.
Gap on each side. Oh yeah, so it's how long's, well there's a tape measure in my bag. So how long have you been here, Hayden?
2,550.
2 weeks? 2 weeks, yeah. Still sorting everything out.
I reckon it's about 2,550.
That's 2.4.
2.4? Well, it's standard sheet size, so.
They're probably the
Coming
easiest
down,
way.
and then a couple of braces, either just back to the wall.
You got some gnarly screws. We have a jack stud there, right beside the stud as well. So you got heaps of fixing there. You'll have another one.
There'll be another one there, and there'll be another one over here.
There'll be at least 3 under that window, and
And one
then
across
you'll
the
have
top.
another double at the end.
And then there'll be a bottom plate,
yeah. I can just put a string in.
and just hang it off that. You reckon?
Yeah, work out your 900 height, or even maybe 880 because you want.
You want your
Too good.
200 either side then, isn't it?
Well, 2.8, half a 2.8. 1.4.
Well, you said 2,440, so
Yeah,
2,840, so it'd been 200 either side of the window.
Yeah.
Which is there.
Basically.
Yeah.
Basically. I want to come out 800 for the bench top,
800.
so I guess 750 for the rest of it. Could be 50 mil. And then covered fronts, 20. So we're going to come at 730.
Depends on how you're going to do your cupboards. You're going to make them inset.
No, just on the front.
Yes, and you want a decent overhang for clamps.
And nice. That's where the bench comes to. But the timber will be like here.
That's the bench top.
Yep.
Your footprint. Much. In a while since I've had that spinner. The old riving knife doesn't fit on with this blade, does it?
No.
No, doesn't think so.
If we're only roughly halfway through, we can't do it anyway.
So we decided to come down to work and use the table saw because we've got space. The reason we don't have a riving knife on when we're ripping, it don't fit over that blade. For some odd reason, we don't know why. If we can't make a bench out of that...
We can't make a bench out of it.
Yeah, we can't make a bench out of it, but there's a problem if we can't. What, how will you...
I'm not a builder. I just wing it.
Oh, bro, you've made one end too short, and the other end too long. Now you can see what's going to happen. It should fit in there. Yep.
Boom.
It's pretty flush too. The frame is partially attached, and we actually got it pretty square, which surprised both of us. That is pretty good. Okay, where we are at the moment is we've attached the frame to the wall, and we've put one on each end to support it, and we'll put another one down the base there to get the same distance, and along the top we'll have more supports so that he can make it a pretty solid bench for him to smash stuff. And then eventually he's going to put shelves and cupboard doors or something. That's what we want.
Across the top there. Boom, boom.
So now we've got the middle struts in. You're just going to do it that way.
That'd be easy. But
Well, how much gap do you want off the floor?
but in between those two. Just here to there.
So you want like a...
Just so the legs solid.
Yeah. I mean, I was just going to do the same what we've done here.
In between them? Like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
You could. Keep them all flush.
Keep them all flush.
Yep.
And then you got extra support for your...
Yep. Cool. Done. Sold.
So technically they should be the same 535.
535.
And then really after that, the only thing to finish your bench is to cut down the top piece.
And there might be another piece in here where the join will go.
Oh, we can measure that out now.
Yeah.
So since the bench is 2.8 and the sheet is 2.4, there's going to be an extra piece here. This is the join for it, so we've got something for it to screw into. We're just screwing in so that it doesn't move the feet out.
Done.
Done.
It's a workbench.
That's a workbench. Bro, you got a fancy workbench now, man. a solid one, I'll give you that. That is solid. That is not going anywhere.
No, let's screw it to the house.
If it is, the house is falling down. Anyway, that'll be the video. This is where we'll leave it. Thanks for watching. I may help him do the cupboards and the shelves, but that'll be another video. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time.
Don't forget to go and make something.